Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the camera lever on this device. So first you should launch camera application, and on the right upper corner tap to the burger menu, and here as can you see we got this trading icon. Just to enable our camera lever, tap on this icon, and as can you see the icon is yellow. That means that we just turn on our lever. And now as can you see we can check when we just want to take a photo, we just should turn on our device. And if you just don't need the camera lever again, just tap here again on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, and remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.